In fact, the MLA mentioned Shaheen Bagh-like protest. So let's go across to Tejri as well, joining us from the spot. Tejri, security has also been heightened in the sensitive areas owing to the protest call that has been given by these organizations. What is the situation at Shaheen Bagh?
Well, yes, I am reporting currently from Shaheen Bagh, and in fact, we'll show you the visuals as to what is the situation over here. The situation as of now is under control, but yes, the police march continues over here in this area, and in fact, we'll show you the visuals that not just in this lane, but in every lane of Shaheen Bagh, particularly that lanes where the protest took place back when during the time of CAA, and in fact, in all those lanes, monitoring is being done, and in fact, you can see that how the police force has been deployed over here. The Delhi police, the CRPF personnel, and in fact that is why they're all ready. And in fact, not just that, but minute-to-minute monitoring is being done. We'll come and show you this area also, so as to how the preparation is being done. The CCTV cameras are also being monitored. Not just they are going to every lane, but monitoring the situation everywhere, and in fact also ensuring that people do not gather in a particular area. The senior officials are also here at the spot. Show these visuals as well. And in fact, if we'll move forward also, they'll be moving forward also. And what we are getting to know is that they'll be monitoring this entire area. And in fact, this police march will be held the entire day so as to maintain law and order in this entire area. And in fact, they will also ensure that there is no protest held, or there is no kind of untoward situation in this area. And that's why in fact you can see that not just one group, but there's large number of security personnel also who have been deployed. And in fact, not just this area, but you can see also in another area, the other side of Shaheen Bagh as well, there's a massive security deployment so as to maintain law and order in this area. And in fact, remember that it was yesterday when after more than 14 hours of discussion of this particular Waqf Amendment Bill was passed in Rajya Sabha. Earlier it was passed in Lok Sabha, and that is why, as you were mentioning, that fear-mongering was done by some of the leaders. And in fact, to ensure peace, to ensure law and order at its place, these all security arrangements have been made, particularly in Shaheen Bagh, in the national capital. Back to you.
All right. So, Tejri, while the protest call has been given, preemptive measures are being taken by the government already. We saw the massive security in place. In fact, is that what you're seeing in Shaheen Bagh, or are these arrangements put in place in several locations? Because the government has also identified the sensitive areas where protests were likely to take place, with the protest call being given by some of the organizations deploying adequate security in these locations.
Well, absolutely sensitive. Well, absolutely. You see, the sensitive areas have been identified, and as the sensitive areas have been identified, the security is increased over there. But as far as this particular area, Shaheen Bagh, is concerned, this is certainly one of the most sensitive area, and that is why here minute-to-minute monitoring is being done. Large number of security personnel have been deployed, and in fact, as you are asking that, is it this area? No, it is not just the only area, but other surrounding area, other adjacent areas to this particular locality, they are also under they are also being monitored. They are also being scrutinized. CCTV cameras are also being monitored. And in fact, a few minutes back we also saw that monitoring was also being done through the drones. And in fact, the senior officials are also inspecting the place. And in fact, you see the barricadings have also been placed at regular intervals. Not just this, but in fact, if you walk few meters away, then the barricadings have been put at place. And in fact, these the officials have also been telling the Delhi police personnel, the CRPF, that if any untoward incident takes place, or in fact if people are gathering at a place for protest, then immediately they should report to this area. You can see that these vans, all the vans have also been deployed over here. And in fact, not just that, but also in few minutes back we saw that the vehicles were also checked at this checkpost. So the checkposts have also been made to ensure that the law and the law and order is at its place here in Shaheen Bagh.
All right. So massive security that has been deployed there at the spot in various locations as well.